Welcome to the Loner Ranger Radio Show. My name is Bruce Woodburn, and I've got a very special guest here with me today, my son, Chase Woodburn. Why I bring my son on here is because this guy is an expert on helping families as a first-time home buyer. He's one himself. He bought a home last year. We talked about it in the last segment. Bought it for $245,000. It's already worth $310,000. Made $65,000, actually more than that, and got the seller to pick up some closing costs. So, Chase, in the last segment, we were talking about the type of loan you got, 3% down. We're now talking about an FHA loan, so you could have marginal credit on this, right?
Right, yeah.
Now, what's the lowest credit score what's FHA's limit on a credit score?
FHA doesn't really have a limit.
They don't have a limit.
Yeah.
So now, obviously, if you get below 580, you have to put more money down, right?
Correct.
So, but you can still get a loan below 580.
You can.
Now, a lot of lenders won't touch you under 640. Some might go for 620. What's our credit score limit at CrossCountry?
Whatever will pass.
We don't have a credit score limit, right? If you're good enough to get a loan, we're going to get you a loan. But let's just assume we're over 600, maybe even 680. Not a great score, but a good score.
A good solid score.
A good solid score for FHA. So we want to buy a home. We can't find one under 320, but we don't have $20,000 to put down.
Right.
So we want to put down 3.5%, which would be about 11.4. But then we have closing costs and prepaids, which bring me back up to $19,000.
Right.
What do we do?
Get the seller to pick up some of it.
Well, but I thought sellers weren't paying any money in this market.
Well, sometimes you can get away with it.
Well, I tell you what, when you call the Loan Arranger and you get us on the phone, I will fight to help you get a seller concession. So I'm going to tell you, people tell me it can't be done. We do it all the time here, don't we? We do it all the time. So my theme today is to help first-time home buyers get into a home by New Year's. We can do it. You got to get started right now. You go to my website at webringyouhome.com. That's webringyouhome.com, or call me at 407-706-3313. So what we're going to do, let's just say we got a 325 house. We're going to get the seller to pick up $7,000. So you need about $13,500, $13,600 out of pocket. If you are an adult with adult children, you want to help them out with a gift, you can do 100% gift, right?
100% gift.
And you can do that unconventional 100% gift.
Yes.
No money of your own out of pocket. You can do it all as a gift. What a great gift. Did your dad give you a gift when you bought your first home?
Gave me a housewarming gift.
He gave you, he didn't pay your down payment?
I saved up.
You know what? It's funny because people look at me and go, you must have really helped your son out. My son saved his own money. My son actually, both of my kids had to pay half to buy their own cars.
Yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
So dad didn't pay for all your car, did he?
No.
No, I paid for half the car. Then he turned around, kept it for 2 years, and sold it and made a profit. That's what my kids do. All right. So now we're going to buy a 325 house. You need about $13,500 to get into the home. Now, including taxes, insurance, and mortgage insurance, you can have a payment of around $2,100, $2,150 a month.
Right.
What would it cost you for a 3.2 right now?
A 3.2 right now.
To rent.
One in my neighborhood, in fact, is going for almost $2,300 right now.
$2,300 a month. And is that apt to go up?
Oh, certainly.
It's going up. Why would it go up?
It's because the market's demanding it.
There's a shortage of rental property. Right. It's going to go up for sure.
Of course. And people are saying the same thing about the housing market. They're saying, well, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up. It's a hostile market. If you think the housing market for purchasing is bad right now, you should see the rental market.
Get into a home now. You're wasting your money renting a home. Call me. I'll connect you with Chase. He's an expert on helping first-time home buyers. He knows all the tricks of the trade. 407-706-3313. That's 407-706-3313. I even calculated how much income and debts you need. We're going to come back in a minute. I'm going to show you how to get into that house and help your family get into that house. We'll be back in 5 minutes.